don't fuck with many niggas, they green. And I've been this way since 18. They used to say all I do is daydream. I mean, really, what the fuck could they mean? I'm still me, still with the same team. Still mean, still dope like fiends. Still choke, still smoke Irene. Your bullshit won't fly with me. You talking shit about me, I don't accept that. No, you ain't cheating on me, I don't accept that.
Hello everyone, my name is Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this Mother's Day look, but was very intensely inspired by Michelle Diaz. I'm going to post up a picture right here of her. She is just such an incredible, amazing, beautiful, she's just everything. And I just wanted to recreate one of her looks, one of her most popular looks, along with having the contacts. If you can't tell, I am wearing contacts right now. I don't know really how it's showing off on camera currently, but it is a lot lighter than my natural eyes. My natural eyes in the dark, it's in the night or like nighttime-ish, it is dark brown, but during the day, if the sun is hitting it, then it turns a little bit hazelish. So it really depends. On camera, it comes off a lot darker than normal. So if you see my eyes lighter, these are contacts. What else? Oh, the contacts are from XoxoBeautique. I will link that down below, along with everything else of this makeup look, because this is the entire makeup look. So, without further ado, enough of me rambling on. Let's get on to the video. What's up, my beautiful queens? I hope you guys are having an incredible day. I look a little crazy right now, but do not worry, have no fear. So we are going to start off with the 350 palette in those two nude shades. And that this is my favorite cream shade for the brow bone. Oh my god. So, sorry. I did already set my eyelids, just to let you know. As you can see, I will be going back and forth. This is a very simple nude look. I'm not used to doing nude looks, so bear with me. But, yeah, see, it's so different than my other looks with color and a little pop and a little deepening. This one was very simple. So, this is me already going in with the black Stila liner, liquid liner. It's called Stay All Day Liquid Liner by Stila, of course. And I am creating the wing. I did kind of fast forward this eyeliner process because eyeliner just takes forever for me. And I do go back and forth, and then I eventually clean it up. So, you'll see here. I did have some difficulty, but I always clean. See? I clean. Girl, you can't just clean the house or clean your room. You gotta also clean up your eyeliner, because I am horrible at the top of the eyeliner. So in order to make it look as beautiful as possible, I do clean it. So I am taking, I think this is like the Bobbi Brown mascara, and I'm using DodoLashes glue. These are the eyelashes in Flutter Lashes, Intoxicating by Flutter Lashes. And these are very poofy. I love them because they're dramatic. These are an older pair that I had, so I'm starting not to cut them as much. So I need to buy a new pair because these are a little bit too short for my liking. But I do with what I can. I need to show you guys, this is just like a quick run through, but I need to show you guys how I do my lashes a little bit better. I've been doing it wrong this entire time, and I need to show you guys at least a close-up of how it really looks. But I will maybe do this within the next few weeks, maybe 2 months, because I'm going through school right now, and I pre-filmed all my videos when I'm in school, at least the first half of the summer. So I'm already doing, can you believe this? This is like the fastest look of life. I'm already doing the lower lash line. I've tried to do the lower lash line before my face, and I thought people were crazy when they did this, but it actually came out good because you start off with like a little bit of color, so you at least know how your eyes are gonna look before I start off my face. So just to have that initial color, I do kind of put a little bit of primer under. So my face was just a pain, so I ran through it. I was going to show you an entire face tutorial as well, but it just did not work out. My face has been, as you can see, like I have like little pimples. You can see it through the video. My face has been horrible, and so I try as much as possible just to avoid that look, but I will do a face tutorial when my face gets better. Oh, and this is Sophie Cosmetics in Desert Shade. I am obsessing over this highlight because it comes off so beautifully on camera. Also, as I am overly highlighting my face because I love it so much, I just want to say happy Mother's Day to all of those who are mothers, and as well as say that I have been working on a Mother's Day project, a Mother's Day gift for the mothers in my family, and it has taken a lot longer than I expected. So this is why my Mother's Day makeup look is coming out so late. Normally I post on Fridays, and I will be posting this within Tuesday or Wednesday of the following week. So I will be having 2 videos this week go up, once on the Tuesday or Wednesday, and then again on my Friday. I want to keep to my once a week schedule, just to FYI, to give you guys some info. And now I will be going in with the He Said She Said liner by MAC Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite liners for reds because it is a lot darker. It's darker than the original Cherry, which is the lighter red. So it does give it a little bit more of an ombre look, even though I use liquid lipstick. Now I'm going in with Fashion Legacy by MAC Cosmetics as well. This is a liquid lipstick. Initially, when you apply it, it comes off more of a pinkish red, but once it dries up, it does dry to more of a red tone. There's some reds that are more pink, there's some reds that are more orange, and then there's the true red, which is more of a blue toned red, and once it dries, it does look more blue toned, as well as my beautiful rose. So this is my Mother's Day look. It's bringing you some Spanish vibes and some Michelle Diaz vibes. If you don't know who Michelle Diaz is, I'm going to post a picture right over here. She's the bomb. She looks absolutely incredible. And this look was inspired by her, but it is a very Spanish type of look. So, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment down below some other type of looks, or actually comment down below what's your favorite highlight. Right now, my favorite highlight is this one by Sophie Cosmetics. It's Desert Sage. They had some collaboration thing with Michelle Diaz, so that's why I got the, idea to be getting this highlight, because I bought this highlight specifically for this look. See? Like, comment down below what's your favorite highlight. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Bye.
2 hours later.